Hi, my name's Andy Lewis, and I'm the Director of Product Management with Russound, and I've got some great exciting new products to show you here at CEDIA. This is our E-Series range, which is our premium range for our top dealers, and we're expanding the range here at CEDIA. I want to start with the KLK E5 Keypad. This is our in-wall keypad that has some great unique features. The product's based around a click wheel interface and a menu interface, which gives it lots of great flexibility, and it makes it very easy to navigate through many choices in media, such as themes, playlists, genres. It's a very similar interface to an iPod, so it's going to be very easy for people to pick up and understand. Some of the other unique features we have here are alarm clock functionality. You can wake up to your favorite music in the morning, and also a snooze function, so you can have the unit shut off when you're ready to go to bed. The supporting product for this is the ACA E5 Controller. This is our premier controller, which has 12 sources, 8 zones. It has a built-in AM/FM tuner. It has a expansion tuner slot for XM radio, Sirius, and AM/FM, and other future radio formats. We also have 2 RNet AV encoders here, or decoders, which have the ability to support our smart iPod dock solution. This allows your iPod to look like a media server on this system, which then shows up on our keypad or our touchscreen. The unit has 80 watts per zone, very powerful and expandable. We're also showing here at the show a brand new zone expander, which allows you to expand the number of zones that you have in a system very economically. This zone expander has the same amplifier section and presents the system with the same user interfaces. So to the user, it behaves the same as if the zones were hooked up to the ACA E5. Gives you a very nice, easy way to expand your system. I'd also like to show the RFR E5 two-way RF remote. This remote is based on a Zigbee two-way radio back to the cradle, and our cradle utilizes Ethernet to communicate back to the ACA E5, which is also IP-based. The remote has a very similar interface to our KLK, so you're able to scroll using the click wheel through menus and so on. And it also has a great roaming feature, which allows you to roam to other zones and select and control them. Let's say you're moving out to the pool, you want to be able to have control over your media. That's a great application, so it moves with you. I'd also like to show you our great TSV E5 touchscreen. This is also supported by the ACA's IP capabilities. The ACA E5 actually has a complete web server in it, and the TSV E5 uses a browser interface to present the user interface to the customer. We've put a lot of work into usability with focus groups and so on to make sure that these are very easy to operate. Now, because we're web-based, we're able to use things like web widgets. These are much like widgets you would have on a Google homepage or a Yahoo homepage. It's very configurable. You can have sports scores, weather, news, stocks, and we support IP security cameras. You're able to pan, tilt, zoom on many different IP cameras and select them from this touchscreen interface. Now, one of the great audio features here is our support for our SMS3 media server. This media server has up to 3 streams of music, and the TSV presents a fantastic user interface for that, including cover art, the ability to look at genre, artist. We even give you a keyboard to type in names to do a faster search on large lists. So it's a fantastic user interface with lots of flexibility. Thanks very much. If you need more information, just go on russound.com. It's all right there. Thanks a lot.